smells so good in here. Our own cooking confidence coach, Nanny Bubby, is back in studio, and today we're learning how to make mac and cheese. Do you know why? Because everybody knows when you hear July 14th, you think, yeah, that's mac and cheese day. Everybody knows that,
Isn't
right?
that funny? Who knew that,
No,
right?
yeah, you know, come on, it's on my calendar.
Well, go ahead.
I was going to say, this is sponsored by Chapman Automotive and Wisconsin Cheese.
That is correct, and I really wanted to know how to celebrate National Macaroni and Cheese Day, so I reached out to the Wisconsin Cheese Association, who represent the great dairy farmers of Wisconsin, and I was really amazed to find out that they have over 600 artisanal cheeses in
600?
Yes, not factory cheese, but artisanal cheese.
Wow.
And so when I tell you to go to wisconsincheese.com, look for this logo, because if you don't see this logo, you're not at the right site. I made that mistake, so I want to be sure you know what it looks like. And what you find, I mean, it is amazing to find, but there's a video of the Wisconsin dairy farmers on that website, and you can see the pride and the love, honestly, the love that they have for their land, for their animals, and for the artisanal way in which they make the cheese. So it's really quite amazing.
I came up with a name for Wisconsin. I call it the Dairy State.
The Dairy State.
Just came up with
that. Or the Cheesehead State.
They are the Dairy State.
And on top of that, you should have a lot of pride in them, because they have won more awards for cheese than any state in the union and any country in the world. So
any country?
In the country. So shall we make some macaroni?
Let's make some mac and cheese.
Okay, so we're going to both start with a roux. We both have the same thing. You can stir that.
Okay.
And what we have in this is butter, flour, 2½ cups of milk. Each has some Land O'Lakes sharp white cheddar cheese, some copper kettle Parmesan, and also some mascarpone. Got it?
Okay, okay. Mascarpone.
Now we're both going to add nutmeg. Okay, start stirring.
Okay.
Start stirring. I'll stir in a minute. A lot of black pepper in yours, because this is the adult mac and cheese.
And I do like a lot of pepper.
Yep, that we're turning into jalapeno mac and cheese.
Ooh.
And just a little pepper in this, so let's stir it up. Okay. That's it. Now from here, that same exact recipe for the kids, I'm going to put in some Grand Cru, which is Switzerland inspired, so like Swiss cheese. And you are going to put in, I asked for pepper jack, but amazing to think they sent me, listen to this, let your mouth water, mango habanero cheese.
Really?
Whoa, okay, so put that whole thing in.
Okay.
Go for it. Okay, and then now you put in these chopped jalapenos from Nanny Bubby's garden. Right from my garden, by the way. Aren't you impressed?
I am impressed, actually.
All right. So now, clean hands, chef's best tools, about a cup of yellow cheddar. From Henning's Yellow Cheddar. Okay, naming all these cheeses, they're so amazing to think. And now we're mixing them up. It will start to melt, and as it does, we're gonna now, you can help me, then I'll help you.
Okay.
Pour in the,
how do you want me to help you? Just scoop it?
I don't know, I guess I don't need it yet.
Okay.
It's when I pour it in the pan. And we're gonna start mixing it. Now for the kids, I put in bow ties and elbow macaroni. And for the adults, here, I'll grab it for you.
Okay.
We'll just put in regular macaroni.
You got it.
Okay, so you stir that up, and then, whoop. All right, so then we're gonna put it into the plate, the pot, and we'll use that for yours, and this one for mine, and then on top of this, we are going to put a panko butter crust. Now let me tell you, this panko butter crust, you can see it, look at this. Yeah, I've already melted the butter in it, and I put in smoked paprika, and that is what gives it its golden color, as well as some cheddar cheese. Now, you know, for kids, when they see smoked paprika, they may say, like on deviled eggs, oh no, I don't want that. But you say, oh yeah, I put it in your mac and cheese all the time, and they go, you do? And then you have a way of introducing something new to them that they didn't see coming.
So you're saying lie to the kids, got it.
Okay, worked for me for 30 years. Okay, so, all right, ready?
Yes.
Let's
okay, so we got 30 seconds, so let's...
Oh, we do? 30 seconds?
Yeah,
let's
so we should just get
I didn't realize how far along we were.
The TV version?
Yeah, okay, yep. Here we go.
Through the magic of TV, we will now pull from the oven.
The finished.
Oh, and it does look beautiful.
Whoa, hot.
Woo, look at that.
Can you taste that?
Yes,
okay.
That looks beautiful.
There you go.
Nice.
Jalapeno mac and cheese, kids mac and cheese.
Start to finish, how long can someone expect?
About 35 minutes.
That's great.
Yeah, there you go.
Great. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. This is going to be great.
I know.
It's so great seeing you.
Great seeing you too.
All right, check out Nanny Bubby's Kitchen and Garden on social media and online at nannybubby.com. Also want to thank Chapman Automotive and the good folks at Wisconsin Cheese for sponsoring the segment. We have more Las Vegas Now after we talk to Rocky.
After you give me a bite of that mac and cheese, Kendall. Thank you.